guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. Alright, I am pretty excited for this video. As you can tell from the title, I am doing another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. If you have been around for a while, you may have seen my last Stitch Fix video, which was back in December, and I was saying that it was probably gonna be my final one for a while, or I wouldn't be doing them as often. Well, that all changed when my Style Pass automatically renewed in February for $49. So I guess we're gonna be doing Stitch Fix videos again. And I know quite a few of my subscribers found me through my Stitch Fix videos, so yay for having those videos again. I actually enjoy the Stitch Fix videos. Sometimes they just became tedious and I was tired of spending so much money on all the items because I had a problem saying no to things. But I am putting a rule on myself for this next go around with Stitch Fix. And that is I'm only allowing myself 2 maximum from each box. I am not gonna be buying the box outright. I'm not gonna be doing any more of that, oh, I like 4 items, so I might as well pay for the 5th one, blah, blah, blah. No more of that. I'm only letting myself have a maximum of 2, and 2 are for special circumstances. So for this month, my stylist's name is Amanda. She sent me a dress and 4 tops. I specifically asked for items that were more kind of work-esque. I have a lot of clothes in my closet that can be worn to work, but is that their main thing? No, so I have to dress them up in order to make them very work-ish. So for this fix, this is fix number 35 for me, which is just wow, that's hard to believe. But for this fix, there are 3 items that I'm definitely not keeping. They just weren't very me, so they were kind of a no-brainer. But I will be keeping 2 of the items in this fix, and the main reason why I am keeping 2 this time around is because one of the items is the same cost as the Style Pass, which is taken off the final total of whatever you're paying for. And so I was already planning to spend a specific amount, and then when I realized that, I was like, oh, I can tack on this second item that I really did like, but I had to pick and choose. You'll see what I mean when I get there. But yes, so I will start with the items that I'm not keeping first, and we'll go from there. So the first item that I'm not keeping is this top right here. This is by Papermoon, and it's the Larie Crewneck blouse. I just don't like tops like this at all. This very billowy, flowy thing. Like, I just don't like it. It's very lightweight, which is nice for spring, but I just hate tops like this so much. I don't know what it is. It's just, it sucks because I do like Papermoon. I'm just not a fan of this at all. This does retail for $44. I do like the print. I like that it's black and white. It's very simplistic. It's got some flowers all over it, but they're not like too in your face. I just don't like this. Like, this is, ugh, not for me. It has a zipper on the back. I mean, I don't know what that does since it's on the back, but whatever, little details. I do appreciate that it's lightweight, so it's nice for spring and summer. It's definitely a dressy one. You can pair this with a pair of colorful pants. This top was a hard no. Just this sleeve alone is not something I am into. But this is a size small. There isn't much stretch to it, so if this is your thing, just know that it's pretty true to size, no stretch whatsoever, but it is pretty flowy. The next item that I'm not keeping is this sweater, which pains me to say because it is by Market & Spruce, and I absolutely love Market & Spruce. It is the Aubree Crewneck Pullover, and I do like the color scheme to it. It's got primarily gray, but then this stripe is a navy, you've got a white, and then you have like this lilac color. I do like all of those colors very much. The sweater is very soft, but I did say that I didn't want any sweaters this time. And so even though this is a lightweight one and good for chillier spring days, I just don't need any more sweaters. Lightweight or heavyweight for now, at least. And I'm also just in the spring and summer mindset. I just don't want sweaters anymore. Also, the fact that this is $58 was a little off-putting because, to be quite honest, I could find something very similar at Target for $20. So no offense, Market & Spruce, because I do love your stuff. This was a no. I mean, it didn't even look that flattering on. I want to like everything by Market & Spruce. This is also a small. It did have a good amount of stretch to it. The pattern is front and back. Sometimes the pattern will only be on the front and then it'll be like a solid color on the back. So if this is your thing, just not my thing. And so the third item that I'm not keeping, at first I really liked it, but then the more I looked at it, the more I was just like, it's not me. It's not me at all. Is this green top by Fortune and Ivy. The camera doesn't do it justice. The pictures that I took didn't do it justice. This is like a green green, like very green. So I loved the color, but just the more that I looked at it and the more I wore it and everything, the less I liked it. I liked it at first, primarily because of the color. I also like sleeves like this, where it's like that button up and it comes up 3/4 of the way. I kind of liked the zipper detailing, but not too much. So the front part of the top is 100% polyester and the back side is rayon with some spandex. The back side is a little bit more stretchy, has a little bit more give to it, whereas the front side has no. It's got nice material. It feels good. It's lightweight. I love the color. It's just not very me. So that is the main reason why I'm not keeping this one. This one is the cheapest thing out of my box at $40. So I wanted to like it because of the price, but it's just not my thing. All right, now moving on to the 2 items that I am keeping. So the first one is the dress, which if I can find the top part so I can actually hold it up correctly. All right, so this is the dress. I like it because primarily it's black and white. So I could pair this with a faux leather jacket, I could pair it with a jean jacket, I could pair it with a cardigan. It could go with a lot. So this is by the brand Kaileigh, and it's the Sienna faux wrap knit dress. So as you can see, it does have like a faux wrap there. It does open up, but it doesn't like expose anything. It looks like it's going to, but it doesn't because it's all attached, which is nice. At first, I wasn't going to keep this because I thought it made my shoulders and my hips look really wide, but as my mom pointed out to me, it made me look more curvy than wide. So I appreciate that a little bit better. My mom is the one that actually kind of convinced me to keep this one, but then there's another reason why I'm keeping it. So this dress retails for $48. Very breathable, has a little bit of stretch to it, very flowy, which is nice for spring and summer. I do appreciate that. I love how it feels. Again, the black and white is very much me. So the main reason why I did decide to keep this one, because like I said, I'm trying to limit myself to 1 item per box. The reason why I'm getting this one is because I get $49 off of whatever I purchase because of the style pass. And this dress is $48. So in a way, I'm essentially getting it for free, plus $1. That's my main reasoning. It is a good work dress. It's also a nice like going out dress, depending on like what jacket I pair it with. So I could go on a really nice date night with my boyfriend with it, or a girls night with my best friend with it. And it could be really fun. So that's the main reason why I'm keeping it. And this is a size small. And the last item that I am keeping, this one at first when I saw it I was like not really sure, but then when I put it on I was like, damn it, I like it. It's also the most expensive one in the box, but this is by Karl Lagerfeld Paris. I think that's what it is, Karl Lagerfeld Paris. Size small. It is the Alberta lace detailed blouse. Not usually a fan of blouses, but they are more work-esque, which I need and asked for, so we're gonna make it work. Several reasons why I like this top. 1, it's black. 2, lace. I am a sucker for lace. The camera is not showing it, at least not in my viewfinder over there, but there's lace. Then it becomes solid down here. There is absolutely no give to this top whatsoever, but it's very lightweight and very breathable. It just ended up looking really good on me. The only thing that I don't really like, and I don't think it's enough for me to be like, no to it, is that it has buttons on the front, and I would appreciate it more if it was just solid fabric that was stitched together. I don't really like the button look, but because it is a black top, it's kind of hard to tell. Also on the sleeves, there is a button that I just now noticed. Also hard to tell. I like the length of the sleeves. I like how this top is flowy and lightweight, and I could dress it up, dress it down, could wear it with a nice pair of jeans, can wear it with colorful pants. I do like this top a lot. Like I said, it's the most expensive item in the box, so it is $79.50, which for a blouse is a little much, but I like it that much. Yes, the $49 from the style pass could go toward paying for part of this and then I not get the dress, but I was already expecting, like before I realized the style pass would take off that money, I was already expecting to be like, all right, I'm paying $80 for this top. It's just kind of a nice surprise. I'm like, oh, I could get the dress for free and just pay full price for this. So that's the main reason why I'm getting 2 items this fix. So because I am not getting all 5 items, I don't get that 25% discount. So the grand total of all 5 items is $269.50. If I was getting all 5 items, take 25% off, which is $67.38, and the grand total would be $202.12. then you take $49 off, and then that grand total would be $153.12. But we're not worried about that because I'm not getting all 5 items. So the 2 items that I am getting, the black top is $79.50 and the dress is $48, which comes to $127.50. But because of the style pass, I'm only going to be spending $78.50. So basically I get the dress for free and then I get $1 off. So I'm pretty happy with that. That is my March Stitch Fix. That is what I'm keeping. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. So even though I wasn't planning on doing Stitch Fix videos regularly again, I guess I'm going to now. So please watch them. Please use my referral link below so that I can get some money back to continue with these. Please, if you're interested, referral link is below. Let me know what item in this box you liked the most, which one you like the least. As always, I will have descriptions of each of the items below, such as cost, brand, the name of the article of clothing. I always try and make it easy for people in case they're like, oh, I like that one, I want to request it. But yeah, so expect Stitch Fix videos again. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button, wherever it may be, because I don't know, even though I do. This is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.